3 months after you had the Calcutta High Court quashing the OBC quota for Muslims in the state of West Bengal, you have the state government that approached the Supreme Court to oppose this verdict. The court had struck down a series of these orders that were passed by the Mamata Banerjee government between the years 2010 and 2012, by which you had 77 classes, 75 of which were Muslim, that were given reservation under the OBC or the other backward classes category. Now, the court had said that religion was the sole factor behind this categorization and that it was done arbitrarily. Now you have the state government that has gone to the court saying that the decision followed a thorough process and this was not arbitrary. However, the affidavit that has been submitted by the state might just be a self-goal because this contradicts this very version. Times Now has been able to access the affidavit that demands a stay on the High Court verdict. It says that it was affecting admission of students who had cleared the NEET UG 2024, but the Supreme Court has refused the West Bengal government, also justifying the inclusion, saying that it's following an elaborate 3-tier process, which includes 2 surveys and a hearing by the Commission for Backward Classes. But remember, the affidavit shows rapid approvals being granted to minority groups in multiple cases. The BJP is also now citing all these examples to claim vindication of its stance that Mamata Banerjee is inherently biased towards one community. They also say that she does not care for the welfare of those who are actually backward and who are actually deprived.
When the West Bengal government in its affidavit before the Supreme Court accepted that the 77 castes which were arbitrarily included in the OBC list, which was struck down by the West Bengal High Court in May 2024, out of that 75 were Muslim castes, and in this case the subcategorization survey was done even before these communities, these so-called castes, had asked for their inclusion in the OBC list. That means the West Bengal government under Mamata Banerjee premeditated and it, for the sake of vote bank politics, wanted to anyways give the OBC benefits to these Muslim communities.
ये सब एक कुचेष्टा है बैकडोर से आरक्षण को प्रभावित करने की। जो आरक्षण की व्यवस्था है उसको बिल्कुल पारदर्शी होना चाहिए और हमेशा से इस बात पे चले गए, इस बात को माना गया कि जो आरक्षण का आधार है वो जातिगत है और ना कि धार्मिक। तो इस तरह के कई राज्यों ने कुचेष्टा की और हमेशा ही इसको न्यायालय ने रोका भी है क्योंकि ये गलत है, सिद्धांततः गलत है, असंवैधानिक है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ये गलत जो निर्णय है इस पे रोक लगेगी और इसका विरोध भी होना चाहिए।
What is the stand of the BJP when it comes to Mr. Naidu giving similar reservations to Muslims in Andhra Pradesh? His manifesto mentions the same. We ask the Prime Minister and the BJP to clarify their stand. Their own partner has implemented, wants to increase and has mentioned reservations for Muslims in Andhra Pradesh.
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence. To be a force for business that takes India to the world and the world to India. Creating pathways of self-reliance. To stand for progress, the planet and the people. Towards a future made perfect. And be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history. It's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.